Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shem Star Global School. This is Nabila Fatima. We have started a revision of the chapter The Story of Democracy, and this video is a revision video part 2. Our first topic is the American Revolution. The American Revolution, a political battle that took place between 1765 to 1783. In the 18th century, America fought war from the British government to free itself from the oppressive and exploitative British rule. So let's study about the American Revolution in detail. First point is British government increased taxes on American colonies. At that time, the British government passed laws to impose several taxes to increase its control over the colonies. The American colonies strongly rejected and opposed the British government. Colonies did not want to pay taxes. The American colonies did not like the taxes imposed by them, which include taxes on sugar, taxes on tea, and the stamp tax. And they started a slogan, "No taxation without representation." The British punished colonies for not paying tax. The British punished members of American colonies constantly for not paying taxes, which made them even more angry. War started in 1765. American Revolution was known as Revolutionary War. It officially began in 1765. The colonies of America wanted independence from England. They had no central government in the beginning of war, so delegates from all the colonies were sent to form the First Continental Congress. Members of the Congress wrote a letter to the King of England telling their complaints about the Britishers. The Declaration of Independence was adopted. On July 4, 1776, the Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence, in which colonies declared their independence from England. Thomas Jefferson declared that all men are created equal and had the right to life, liberty, and happiness. And these colonies later founded the United States of America. A written constitution was adopted in 1789 and a federal government based on the division of power was established in the USA. A Bill of Rights was passed in 1792 which provide certain rights to its citizens under the law. Our next topic is the French Revolution. The French Revolution is a very important event in the world history because it has given many important concepts like liberty, democracy, and fraternity. Now, let's study about the French Revolution. The people of France were divided into three states: clergy, nobility, and the common people. So earlier, the people of France were divided into three states. First stage consists of clergy. Clergy means the priestly class. Second stage consists of nobility. Nobility means the nobles. And the third state consists of the common people. These include small farmers, businessmen, laborers, servants, etc. While the clergy and the nobles enjoyed all the privileges, the common people were not entitled to any privileges. They don't have any facilities and they had to pay heavy taxes. The clergy and nobles also don't pay any taxes. Now, revolution started with the slogan of fraternity, liberty, and equality. So, revolution in France started with the slogan of liberty, equality, and fraternity against the clergy and the nobles. On 17 June 1789, The third state declared itself as the National Assembly. The third point is Declaration of the Rights of Men and Citizens was adopted. On 4th August 1789, the Declaration of the Rights of Men and Citizens was adopted under this. And under this, special privilege of clergy and nobles was abolished. Now, they also had to pay taxes. And previously, the clergy and the nobles were taking taxes from the third state. Now, they will not take any taxes from the common people, and the land under clergy and nobles will be under the government. French monarchy and feudalism came to an end. The French Revolution completely changed the social and political structure of France, as it put end to French monarchy, feudalism, and took political control from the church. New ideas were adopted. New ideas were adopted like fraternity, liberty, that means freedom for the common people, equality, where everyone is same, there will be no discrimination between the clergy class, nobles, and the common people. French Revolution marked the end of absolute monarchy and established the principle of self-government. It strengthened the fact that people are supreme and laid the foundation of democratic government. March to democracy. The women's suffrage movement was started at this time. Earlier, women does not have right to vote in the elections. The women's suffrage movement was the struggle for the right of women to vote and run office. New Zealand became the first country to grant universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means it gives the right to vote to all adult citizens regardless of their wealth, income, gender, social status, etc. Colonies began struggle for democracy. It means that the colonies also started struggling for democracy or self-government. Many countries in Asia, Africa and South America declared their independence. Constitutions were adopted in these countries that prescribed the powers of the government. The Declaration of Human Rights 1948 was signed by most countries of the world, which gave people their basic human right. So with this, we have completed the revision video of this chapter. Please go through all the topics of this chapter carefully, and if you are not able to understand any topic, then ask from me by putting your questions in the comment section. Students, this is your today's assignment. This assignment contains 2 long answers of the chapter, The Story of Democracy. This is question number 4. Till here is question number 4. Then question number 5. And till here is question number 5. Pause the video, write the answers carefully in your fair copy, and then send me in the form of PDF in Google Classroom.